Okay, I have a test set up here for your Pixie. There's the Pixie key, and this is a watt meter, and it's set to the 1 watt full scale. And I'll show you. I'm going to go ahead. I have it on 12 volts. Key down. Goes to 0.7 watts, 700 milliwatts. It's good. Okay, this is another test showing reception of the Pixie at the Half Moon Bay, California receive site, which is about 125 miles away. I'm going to be sending with this key here, and this is the remote receiver here. And you'll be able to hear it. Yeah. And that's on 7023. There. Okay, here you see that I also now added a crystal socket. So the quartz crystal is plugged into a crystal socket, so you can pull out the crystal they sent you, which is 7023, which is in the extra class band that you can't operate on with your current license. And I'll make sure I'll send you a crystal for a frequency you can operate it on.